Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about a question on series RLC circuit which was asked in GATE 2023 for 1 marks. And here in this question we have given a quality factor of 1000 and center frequency of 10 to the power 6 radian per second. So if I note down the given factor which is quality factor of 1000 and center frequency given in the radian per second which is omega c or omega naught is 10 to the power 6 radian per second. So in this question, we have to find what is the possible value of R, L, and C. So if you observe here in this question, C is common in all the four options. It is 1 microfarad. And another way, inductor is also common. So we have given the direct value of inductor and capacitor in this question. Just only we have to find the value of resistor R in this question. So if I note down here, capacitor is 1 microfarad and inductor is 1 microhenry. So question is asked to find the value of R to solve this problem. So here we know the formula of quality factor. We know that Q is equal to nothing but omega naught into L divided by R. So it's simple formula based question where we know quality factor, we know center frequency, we know inductor as from the options because inductor is common in all the four options. So it is 1 microfarad, sorry, it's 1 microhenry. Just only we have to find what is the value of resistor R. So if we solve it, we will get R is equal to omega naught into L divided by Q. So omega naught is what? 10 is to the power 6. L is what? 10 is to the power minus 6 because it is given in microhenry. And quality factor is given 10 is to the power 3. So if we solve it, we will get it as 10 to the power 6 will cancel out with 10 to the power minus 6. And here you will get 10 to the power minus 3, which is nothing but 0.001 ohm. So we can see option D is the correct where resistance value is 0.001 ohm and therefore correct answer is D.